Imagine flying on another planet. Sounds crazy, right? Well, NASA's Ingenuity, nicknamed Ginny, actually did it. On April 19, 2021, this tiny 1.8 kilogram helicopter made history, becoming the first aircraft ever to take powered, controlled flight on another world. Built to fly just 5 times, Ginny became a Martian legend, soaring 72 times over 3 years, zipping across 17 kilometers of red planet. It battled freezing nights, sandstorms, and a whisper thin atmosphere only 1% as dense as Earth's. Each flight sent data and images that guided the Perseverance rover, turning a small tech test into a pioneer of extraterrestrial flight. Even after its final landing with a cracked rotor, Ingenuity proved that the sky isn't the limit when the sky is on Mars.